Welcome to Cooking with AI, where we'll show you how to use the latest AI tools as your ultimate kitchen companion. Whether it's perfecting a classic or creating something brand new, AI can help you cook smarter, not harder. Today, we're talking about one of my favorite recipes ever, Nigella Lawson's legendary roast chicken from the book How to Eat. I've been making this for maybe 15 years. But last week I thought, what if I asked AI to improve it? And the result was one of the best roast chickens I've ever cooked. My first prompt to try this was, can you improve Nigella Lawson's roast chicken recipe from her book, How to Eat? Let's see what we get. So straight away, ChatGPT goes to work, slow roasted garlic, lemon, and chicken using her method, but adding a few extra things. Ideas to elevate the dish, brine if we wanted to, butter under the skin, use high heat, potatoes or veggies in the pan. So a few really good ideas here. Herb and citrus infusion. I mean, that sounds cool. Tuck some sprigs of rosemary or oregano under the skin. Maybe serve it with a bread sauce. It's also got some enhancements for recipe flow. And I feel like these are some pretty good ideas, but honestly, I feel like not a huge leap forward. So I decided to turn to my recipe prompt formula. This is a method I use every time to get better results from AI when I'm modifying a recipe. It's got 4 simple steps. 1, set the scene. Give the background or the context for what you're up to. 2, assign the role. So choose the kind of chef or expert you want the AI to be. 3, give the task. Be crystal clear about what you want it to do. And then 4, specify the output. Tell it exactly how you want it to present the results. Now let's see what that looks like for this roast chicken. Here's the new prompt. 1, set the scene. So this is Nigella Lawson's roast chicken recipe from How to Eat, which I've made many times and love it for its simplicity and soulful approach. 2, assign the role. You're a Michelin star chef. I mean, who doesn't want a Michelin star chef cooking in their house? Who deeply respects Nigella's minimalist cooking style. 3, give the task. Refine the recipe to enhance depth of flavor, improve skin crispiness, and ensure juicier meat while staying true to the heart of the recipe. And 4, specify the output. Present the improved recipe in numbered steps and explain the reasoning or science behind each change. Let's go. Now, ChatGPT is giving us an improved recipe in her spirit, and this is an actual recipe that we can cook with. I see lots of improvements here. Dry brining the chicken. Okay, we're going to pat it dry and sprinkle the salt over, leave it for 24 hours. Air and temper, take it out, bring it to room temperature before you cook it. Makes the skin crispier. Heat the pan, not just the oven. Butter under the skin. Some classic aromatics. A hot start, then a steady roast. Basting with fat, not with juices. Finish to temperature and rest. And then a quick garlic lemon jus in the pan. Notes to keep at Nigella: fewer ingredients, better technique. So the flavor lift comes from the brining, heat management, and butter placement, not a long shopping list. Lemon, garlic, and thyme, and good fat remain the soul of the dish, and everything happens in one pan, creating a comforting jus at the end. So I tested this recipe side by side with Nigella's original version, and I've got to tell you, the AI one was tastier. It had a crispier, more evenly browned skin, had incredibly juicy meat. The jus at the end that I made was delicious. So it was still Nigella at heart, just I think her performing at her absolute best. So try my recipe prompt formula. 1, set the scene. 2, assign the role. 3, give the task. 4, specify the output. Use it in one of your favorite recipes. I've listed all the prompts today that I've used in the description below, so you can copy and paste them straight into ChatGPT and try them yourself. Let me know in the comments how your recipe turned out. I'd love to hear about it. Don't forget to subscribe to Cooking with AI for more AI-powered cooking tips every week.